when you get hungry or thirsty during an long teaching, or suffer from being exposed to wind, rain, harsh sunlight, and so forth, you should not become discouraged and grow weary of listening to the teaching. Physical conditions for Dharma teachings were very challenging in the past in the Tibetan regions. When my Dharma peers and I gave teachings or received oral transmissions, for almost 10 years we were in the open, exposed to scorching sun and fierce storms. It often snowed heavily, and the ground we sat on was frozen hard, but all of us could endure the hardships for the sake of pursuing the Dharma. Back then we didn't have any cushions. We didn't have any cloaks either, so we were covered by snow and literally became snowmen. Sometimes it suddenly blew a gale, and the pages in our scripture texts were swept away, so we had to retrieve the pages from everywhere. Such incidents happened a lot. Whenever we thought of past eminent masters' austerity and the sacrifices they made in pursuit of the Dharma, we would feel a sense of contentment about our own experience.